Here's problem 3 from the 2022 AMC 8. When three positive integers a, b, and c are multiplied together, their product is 100, and a is less than b is less than c. In how many ways can the numbers be chosen? You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Let's start by factoring 100. 100 equals 2 squared times 5 squared. We need three positive integers that are all different, with a less than b less than c, and their product is 100. Now let's list every way to write 100 as a product of three distinct increasing factors. 1 times 2 times 50. 1 times 4 times 25. 1 times 5 times 20. And 2 times 5 times 10. We have to be careful. Triples like 1 times 10 times 10, or 2 times 2 times 25, are not allowed, because the factors must all be distinct, with a strictly less than b strictly less than c. Counting the valid triples, there are 4 ways. So the answer is 4, which is choice E.